Easter glory fills the sky. Alleluia. Christ now lives no more to die. Alleluia. Darkness has been put to flight. Alleluia. By the living Lord of light. Alleluia. See, the stone is rolled away. Alleluia. From the tomb where once he lay. Alleluia. He has risen as he said. Alleluia. Glorious firstborn of the dead. Alleluia. Mary, Mother, greet your Son. Alleluia. Radiant from his triumph won. Alleluia. By his cross you shared his pain. Alleluia. So forever share his reign. Alleluia. Magdalene, wipe away your tears. Alleluia. He has come who calms all fears. Alleluia. Hear the Master speak your name. Alleluia. Turn to him with heart aflame. Alleluia. Shepherds seek the sheep that strayed. Alleluia. Come to contrite Peter's aid. Alleluia. Strengthen him to be the rock. Alleluia. Make him shepherd of your flock. Alleluia. Seek not life within the tomb. Alleluia. Christ stands in the upper room. Alleluia. Risen glory he conceals. Alleluia. Risen body he reveals. Alleluia. Though we see his face no more. Alleluia. He is with us as before. Alleluia. For veiled he is our priest. Alleluia. His true flesh and blood our feast. Alleluia. Christ the victor over death. Alleluia. Breathes on us the Spirit.